Hey guys, it is Chef Kayla with Waller Adventures. Today we are with Grandma Lois and we are making biscuits from scratch. So stick around and check it out. First you're going to put 2 cups of flour in your bowl. Next put in 2 spoons of lard. Then you're going to want to add your buttermilk. Then you want to stir it all together. After mixing, you want to make sure your dough is at this consistency. You're going to want to put some flour in an extra bowl to dip your biscuits in. After putting your biscuit dough in the flour, you're going to want to roll it out and lay it out flat onto your pan. Now we're getting ready to put them in the oven, along with our snaky biscuit. Next, you're going to want to put your biscuits in the oven for 30 minutes at 450. After 30 minutes, your biscuits should look like this.
I took a big bite.
I hope you enjoyed this video of us making biscuits from scratch. See you soon. Did you like this cooking video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post videos. Also check us out on Facebook at Waller Adventures and on our Instagram page at Waller_Adventures. Thanks for viewing the video. Hope to see you soon.